Hello. Morning. Morning. 你叫什么名字 ？Mark。我叫查尔斯。
今天还是不休息？
你什么时候休息过？
天天都上班。
Every day.
Every day working every day.
Working every day. I'm busy now.
Busy now, making money.
Make money.
Morning, folks, from Wuhan. I think it's gonna rain, and I think I need a haircut. My hair is getting out of control. After I've had breakfast, why don't we have a look around and see what's available in this neck of the woods? And I'm getting McDonald's for breakfast because I'm wearing a white rugby jersey and I don't want to get it all covered in noodles and soup and stuff. So yeah, breakfast first. Let's see what McDonald's has got on the menu. As you can see, the menu does come in English, which is helpful, and it has a number of items which I've never seen before, including a bunch of scrambled egg burgers, wraps, and even congee. On this occasion, I opted to go for one of the wraps. My McDonald's breakfast has arrived. Coffee, black, with milk, or creamer anyway, and some sugar because I am not sweet enough. The wrap has a hash brown and some egg and some meat with a little bit of cheese and some tomato sauce. Yeah, actually looks alright. $17.50. My normal breakfast costs anywhere between 5 and 10. But if I was to get a bowl of beef noodles, probably about the same price and no coffee, so maybe McDonald's is not as expensive as I remember, because my coffee here costs 6. Wow, it's pretty good. We don't have this on the menu in New Zealand. I didn't take long. How's the coffee? Coffee's not the best, but it's alright for just instant coffee. Time to get a haircut. There's one place there. It looks a bit busy. Let's see if we can find somewhere a bit quieter.
这边的话，我扫一下你微信，我发个定位给你看一下。
好的，好的，好的。
哎，中文说那么好，是
我老婆中国人啊。
哦，这个样子对吧？
对。
我看着是有点不像。中文说那么好，我是第一次见。我也有外国友人，但是他是在后期的话，哎，后面应该是也会回武汉的吧？
我以后会回武汉的。
那到时候经常联系了，我这边的话就大熊来的，就是前面，我到时候微信联系了，好吧？
好，行。
啊行，中文说的这么好，我刚才看了也是说不像我们算是中国人了，现在
不是新疆人什么的。
行，
好。
你这边怎么称呼嘞？
叫马克吧。
哎，叫马哥行吧？
啊，行。好，走了。Well, that's pretty fitting that as soon as I had my fat ass some McDonald's, dude is trying to sell me gym membership. Those ladies are keeping in shape, but they didn't have McDonald's for breakfast. 可以剪头发吗？
可以。就看这一点。
就两边短一点，然后上面就修一下，可以吗？
你这个头之前哪里剪的呀？
没有，好久没剪了。
好久没剪了。
很乱吧？
很乱。上面长短不一样。
哎。
我给你剪齐一点，稍微剪齐一点啊，因为你这个头发蛮多长的长，短的短。上面好烂。
我相信你。来这里，你这个店大部分是男的吗？还是女的？
男的多，女的少。
快剪都是男的喜欢。
也不是快剪，我有的人要便宜一点的，就是因为现在旁边快剪蛮多了，有人要便宜一点的。
是吧？你几点钟下班了
？9点多钟。
这一点跟我的国家不一样。
你们那是下班就下班的。
新西兰大部分5点钟什么都没有。
什么都没有了。
都没有。 你们这里有宵夜呀，晚上很多人要出来吃东西啊。
你们那边还是好一些，
人少嘛。
人少还是好。这边你不搞的话没饭吃了。
支付宝到账15元。
谢了。Well, folks, got myself a 15 kwai haircut, which is what, like $2? $2 American. Can't really complain. Took how long? 10 minutes. The guy asked me, "Man, who cut your hair last time?" It's all uneven. I didn't have the guts to tell him I cut my own hair last time. As long as I keep it short, it doesn't usually look too bad, but I guess a hairdresser can tell the difference. 是不是那个大门口就是那个健身房？
对对对。
哦，那我知道。
你有去过吗？
我就路过。
路过。那看一下，就说哪天有时间的话，你可以过去继续看一下。
好。
就说，要不看一下现在9点。
现在我要把早饭给我老婆啊，要不然她生气了。
说实话，你这个真的是可以的。